Johns Brown Bear. And the game. And they're off. One sock missing, breaks right on cue. The Bold showing speed, so too Indian Nickel, and Jourdan sent on through by James Graham. So Indian Nickel under the gun from Jourdan. Those two have blocked horns as they head to the half-mile pole. Le Bold in the orange cap, one sock missing just inside that. You see what I'm saying, comes up the near side. Nawatka Sound is next, 6 lengths off the pace, going past the half-mile pole, followed by Advanced Signs, and wide Johns Brown Bear is dropped back to last. The first quarter, 22 seconds flat. Jourdan, Indian Nickel, heads apart, 3 furlongs on the winning line. The Bold is 3 wide, 1 sock missing. Nawatka Sound now picks up velocity. Nawatka Sound coming 4 deep. At the rail, do you see what I'm saying? Johns Brown Bear, Advanced Signs has been relegated to last as they straighten. Half mile, 46 and 1. Down to the final furlong and a half. Still a few chances. Jourdan with the rails. Indian Nickel in there pitching away. The Bold bails out. Nawatka Sound driving on the outside. 1 sock missing as well back. Johns Brown Bear, Advanced Signs on the foot outside. Past the 16th pole. Nawatka Sound strikes the top for Cisco Torres, close to home from Indian Nickel. Nawatka Sound. Nawatka Sound first from Indian Nickel. Jourdan third. It was close for fourth. Maybe Advanced Signs a nose.